it's true.
Sucker dick. With the moving doors, what up?
Orlando. Look to the camera. Stop jacking off. Action.
Action, you dipshit.
He's coming out of the closet. What the fuck? Tapu Gonzalez. Tapu.
Mike Hawk reporting live at Bombay Beach for Channel 69 News. I'm here today with the band M. Barbosa. What's your name, man?
My name is Blake Amsterdam.
Your name?
My name is Tapu Williams. Nan Latre.
Hey, so how's the tour going, man?
Well, our tour is going great. See, we have so many fans here in the US.
Yes, so many.
And, you know, like, our hit singles are more like, you know, I jumped the fence with a jackass, and yeah, people like it. But we want to go back home soon.
Yeah. So, Tapu, how do you like it here in America? First time?
It is okay, but people always confuse me for Osama and terrorists, and I hate it, but I want to go home now.
Don't worry, dear. You can take a smoke at his house. It's all good.
Hey, you do know marijuana's not legal here, man.
But she don't tell nobody.
Yeah, so, let's...
Did you write it?
Your name, man.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
I saw you at a party.
Yeah,
Sick, man.
the women in public, remember that time?
Hey,
yeah.
so how you like it here in America?
Oh, the women be bumping, man. They be the finest.
Alright,
right
cool.
here, yeah.
So you like the weather here in Bombay?
Well, it's alright. It's not that cold.
Yeah,
you know, you can
nothing
surf the
happening
waves.
today, man.
Not
Nothing
like
happening.
Jamaica, Kingstown. It's tropical, but it's good.
It's a perfect place for you guys.
But
Calm.
India is way better. India.
Yeah, like
Don't they
got
still
good
have the
women.
flag, man? No, shut up. No.
Alright. That's in Barbosa for you. Out.
Hi, yes, thank you, Mike Hawk. This is Jack Law for Channel 69 Weather. Yes, in Bombay today, as you can see, today the day was very beautiful. It was very sunny, partly cloudy. We're expected to have light rains tomorrow, but nothing much, nothing out of the ordinary. As you can see, tomorrow it's expected for people to come over to the beach, go surfing. Nothing can go wrong in this Bombay beach today. And this is your weather for Channel 69. Jack Law, out.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Oscar, do you want some Tampico?
Sure.
Well, too bad! So good, it's done. Damn, dog, these shits are good. Try some.
Okay, I'm gonna try some chips.
Check out the news.
Esto es porque me están llegando.
Yeah. Damn, that was hard, dog. Damn, dog. Turn on the television. Do the news.
Bro, turn on the news, like.
Turn on the news, man.
Breaking news, reporting live at Bombay Beach, Channel 69. I believe it has been an earthquake right now, 4.8. It's 4:23 p.m. We have injured people. Even though it wasn't that shaky, people still got hurt. Sir, what has happened with you today?
I messed up my leg.
Oh my God, green blood! What the hell? Oh my God! Fix him up.
Oh, that feels much better now.
The epicenter is right below me, 5.3 kilometers or something like that, I don't know. It's pretty deep down there. The earth is shooken. 4.8. I suck ass. This is breaking news. Live. Mike Hawk, out.